Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to use a pearl setting machine. Pearls and dies come in different sizes, so the first thing you want to do is to make sure your pearl size matches the dies you are using. Take your pearl and insert it on the upper part of the dies. And locate your pin and place it at the bottom part of the machine with the pin facing up. The pin is very tiny, so you have to be careful so that the pin faces up. Next, position your fabric where you want the pearl and press to attach it. It's very simple. No needle or thread is required, and it stays firm. These pearls are the types without holes, which is different from the regular beads used for sewing. Just repeat the process until you are done. If you are using different pearl size, simply change the dies to match. The pin is universal. You can continue to use it for different sizes. So you can just continue to place the pearls at different parts that you want to bead. Just scatter it so it looks beautiful. So you just repeat the process till you are satisfied with the finished look. Then I added the foam at the handle, as you can see in the video. I added the foam because the persistent use may hurt your hand after a while. And this is the final result. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to see more videos like this.